Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got this 2024 BMW 7 Series. This casting is by Matchbox and it's new for 2025. Looks like a good casting with some good details. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the BMW 7 Series out of its box. And the first thing you will notice is the paint, which looks nice. Though we don't really see a lot of BMW in this paint. I think something like the blue BMW does, the darker blue shade, that would have looked much better. Maybe even gray. BMWs look alright in gray, white, silver, but we don't see a lot of these. So wheels we have seen on so many different cars. They kind of look alright here. They don't look bad, but they're not something great either, but they look alright, especially with something which is kind of not sporty, more of the luxury side. Chrome wheels, they do the job. Now let's start from the front. Up front, you got some good details. You got the detailed grille, BMW badge, detailed headlamp, and I really don't like this front look of the new BMW split headlamp and big grille. They ruined the perfect looking BMW in my eyes. But let's talk about the casting. Let's go back to the casting. It kind of captures all the details. You can also see both the mirrors, which Matchbox really does a good job. Slight bulge in the hood, looks good. And you also got the windshield wipers. Yeah, since we are here, if you look at the interior, they have also tried to mimic the big display of the BMW, which goes from all the way from this side to all the way to the center. So they've tried to show everything. Now let's move to the driver's side back again. We already talked about the wheels. Also got the new door handles. B pillar isn't metal, and isn't like blacked out or anything. It's part of the glass you see inside. Let's move to the back. Again, good details on the back. You can see you've got the detailed tail lamp, BMW badge again. You got the number plate with BMW, and you've got 7, I think, written there, or maybe i7. Might be a hybrid. So you've got that. Again, not much else to talk about. You can also see the shark fin antenna here, and the cut line shows it might have a big. I haven't seen the new 7 Series in thoroughly from the top, but it looks like it has a big sunroof, I guess. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical, only difference being the fuel filler cap. The interior has got some good details. I don't think I can show you much, but I can just explain. It's got armrest, cup holders, so good, like quilted leather design kind of. If you see closely here, see there, it's got some good details on the interior. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, should you get it? Of course, Matchbox has done a great job of showing you all the details. And only thing, if the wheels were slightly different, or maybe instead of chrome they were grayish, it would have looked much better. And that's how I feel, but other people might not feel that way. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.